me see if I can get this thing to stand up. That's a mess, but I'm working upside down just so I can sit while I do the top half. So this will go the other way around. Yeah, so this is a redo. I kind of, so I sold this painting the other day, and I was sad to see it go, and I thought I had all these great photos of it, but I didn't. So I had to grab a screenshot off of one of my videos, which it was in there. It came out pretty good, actually. It's a little blurry, but I just needed the reference to kind of replicate. I'm looking at this here, and I'm thinking this head needs to be wider. So I'm just plotting points upside down, mainly of the two figures. Mainly of the two figures because I can build all the geometrics around it. It was a great day yesterday before I got rained out. It was weird to sew. Well, it's not weird. I've been through those storms plenty of times, Plenty of times. And I'm thinking about this plot point. So I didn't get wet in my artwork. It got some of it got a little bit, but it's acrylic, so it's water-based. And then I have an oil, but it's been dry for a long time, and it got a little misting, but I got to clean it. Anyways, before that, I had a couple of ladies come up, and they were telling me how I needed to be in a museum or a gallery. And they were like really stoked about the abstracts. I only had, I think, well, no, I had a couple of landscapes out there. And they went on, and she was thinking that the gecko, which wasn't there, but she knew the gecko from my website. And she was calling it a